Okay, in this video, I'm going to explain how to create this kind of flange pipe bin using the Solidworks. Here you can see the flange pipe bin. Okay, this is the 2D drawing for this flange pipe bin. I will give link to download this document in my video description. Okay, let's see how to create this one. Go to File New, Part Drawing, click OK. Okay, first of all, I'm going to create this pipe section. To create the pipe section, I'm going to use a swept boss base command in the SolidWorks. So we need the path and the profile. So I'm going to draw this pipe axis on a front plane and the cross section on the top plane. So then I'm going to use the swept command to create the pipe section. Okay, let's first draw this pipe axis on a front plane. Here the dimensions 150, arc radius 260, here again 150. Okay, select the front plane, go to sketch, take the line command, draw a vertical line. So then to draw the arc, start from this point, take this point a little bit away from this point, then take this point again coincide with this point, then again take it away, then you can see the arc created. In this way you can create the arc. Then draw the horizontal line. Okay, let's dimension this one 150 millimeter. This one also 150 millimeter. Then this arc radius 260 millimeter. Then here you can see this vertical line and the arc already taken as tangent. If not taken as tangent, you have to make it tangent. Here you can see this horizontal line and arc is not tangent. You have to make it tangent. So to make it tangent, select this line with the control sign, select this horizontal line. So make it tangent. You can see there is tangent. Here we are having the fully defined sketch for the path. So then we are going to do the pipe cross section on a top plane. So exit sketch. Select the top plane, go to sketch. Here the cross section, pipe cross section, the outer diameter is equal to 290, inner diameter 210. Okay, select the circle. (290mm). Inner dimension 210mm. Click OK. Exit sketch. Here we are having the cross section profile and the path. So now we are ready to use this swept boss base command. Okay, click on this swept boss base command. Okay, sketch 2 already selected. If not selected, you have to view the sketch profile sketch first. So then you have to give the path. So by click on this path, we can select that one. Here you can see the preview. Okay, click OK. Here you can see the created pipe part. So then now we are ready to draw the flanges. Okay, click on this face, go to sketch. So I'm going to use the center rectangle. Here the dimension for this flange, square flange 360mm, and the corner radius is equal to 20mm. This dimension 360mm. Okay, then this I'm going to use the fillet command to give the corner radius is equal to 20mm. Then select this all these corners, click OK. Okay, so then I'm going to draw this yeah, pipe hole. This dimension inner diameter of the pipe is equal to 210 millimeter. Okay, click OK. Then I'm going to draw this counter bore hole. The major diameter for the counter bore hole is equal to 60 millimeter, and the primary diameter is equal to 30 millimeter, and the counter bore depth is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay. $50 millimeter. Sorry, this dimension 60 millimeter. Okay, then this diameter equal to 30 millimeter. Click OK. Let's dimension this center point. From here to here, dimension is equal to 50 millimeter. Okay. Here, this you can see this dimension is equal to 50 millimeter. Okay. Okay. Then I'm going to draw these other holes, other circles by using the mirror command. To mirror, we need the vertical and horizontal axis. So first of all, I'm going to this vertical and horizontal axis. Okay, horizontal axis, midpoint line. Okay. So then the vertical line, midpoint line, vertical line. Click OK. Okay. So then I'm going to use the mirror command. So line 8 is already selected. Delete this one. So the about axis here, the vertical axis, I'm going to mirror. So entities to mirror, select these two circles, click OK. So then again I'm going to use the mirror command. Now mirror, I'm going to mirror about this horizontal axis. So the entities to mirror, select these four circles. Okay, click OK. Here now we are having the fully defined sketch for the flange. So now we are ready to extrude this sketch. So go to sketch, go to features, extrude. So first of all, reverse the direction. So the extrude thickness is equal to 50 millimeter. Here you can see, give the extrude thickness as 50 millimeter. Select the contours to extrude. These are the contours to extrude. Click OK. Here you can see the flange. So then this hole should be a counter bore hole. So click on the Extrude Cut. Select the previous sketch from the design tree. So then the counter bore depth is equal to 10 millimeter. Give 10 millimeter depth and select these contours. Okay, click OK. Okay. Then select this edge. It's a chamfer edge. Select the chamfer. The dimension is equal to 10 millimeter. Click OK. Then this edge also a fillet edge. Select this edge and go to fillet, and dimension is equal to 10 millimeter. Click OK. Okay, this is how we are creating this flange part in this pipe section. Okay, then to create the flange for the other end, so I'm going to copy this previously drew sketch. No need to draw it again. Okay, let's see how to create that one. Okay, go to sketch, right click and edit sketch. Using the mouse, select all the entities and the dimensions in this way. Hit Ctrl C to copy, exit sketch. So then select this face and go to sketch. Then hit Ctrl V to copy all the entities and dimensions. So then here we have to locate this sketch perfectly on this plane. So I'm going to, first of all I'm going to draw the point. So select this circle and draw the point. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to coincide this sketch center with this circle center. Select this point and select this sketch center. So make coincide. Here you can see there is coincide, but this circle is not coincide with this point. So you have to make it coincide. Select this circle center and this yeah, this center with the control sign, then go to coincide. Now the circle also coincided. Now we are having a fully defined sketch, same as previous, to create the pipe flange for the other end. Okay, go to extrude boss base command. So the reverse the direction, they select the contour. Yeah, the extrude thickness is equal to 50 millimeter. So then they select the contours. These are the contours. Okay, click OK. Okay, again to create the countable holes, use I'm going to select the extrude cut. So now select the previously copied sketch, sketch 4. Select this sketch. Then the countable depth is equal to 10 millimeter. Select these contours. Say these areas. Okay, click OK. Okay. So then for this edge, chamfer edge, 10 millimeter dimension. Okay. Here this edge is a fillet edge, 10 millimeter fillet edge. Click OK. Okay, this is how we are creating this flange pipe bend. Okay, let me change the appearance. So let's take the chrome steel. Okay, the final look of the flange pipe bend. I think you all got a clear idea how to create this kind of flange pipe bend. Okay, thank you. See you next time. Okay.